Hi, I'm Lexi.
And I'm Andrew, and
And
this is
is
Eclectica.
Eclectica.
Today we're going to do our second toothpick challenge.
Yeah.
We're going to start right now. Today our contenders are once again the unbeatable Tabasco sauce, this time versus Blue Agave Sriracha by Yellowbird.
That looks like poop.
Well, let's get our baseline. There you go. Taste that.
Yum.
Love that vinegar. All right. And now the Yellowbird. I'll just, nice and thick. All right. What do you think?
It tasted like ketchup, but then it started to taste really yummy.
Yeah, it did kind of have a ketchupy taste. Was it as hot as Tabasco? I agree. How about the taste? Was it better or worse than Tabasco?
It was better.
You liked it better, huh? I like Tabasco better. But anyway, there you have it. Blue Agave Sriracha and our reactions. And that's all for now. We will see you next time.